Hello, my name is Danish, and I will be showcasing my game based on the event of Indonesia, 17th of August. So my game is based off chips eating contest, the chips eating contest in the Indonesia. Yeah. So I will have made one. Yeah. But in my perspective, it's kind of boring. So I made a difference. I wouldn't say it's entirely different, but it's just different. It's basically chips runner. Yeah, chips runner. We'll be heading on to the gameplay first, and then we will discuss about some codes a little bit. Yeah. So first off, we have the menu right over here. It tells us that we need to press V in order to play the game. So yeah, I'm gonna press basic controls of the game. Press D key or the right arrow key to move to the right. Simple, yeah. Press hold the A key or the left arrow key to go to the left. Yeah. Press the W key or the up arrow key to go up. And we have 2 lives in this game. So this is the chips that we are gonna be consuming. We just jumped it over, and then yeah, we consumed it. This one is our chips, but with a twist. It's actually spicy and it reduces your health rather than giving you points so you can win. In order to win, you need 4 points. Okay. So if I touch or consume this chips, it will say yikes, and then that will mean my health is 1 now. Yeah. Now let me eat the chips. The chips first, yeah. Counter another. We will counter another spicy chips. We shouldn't eat it because if we do eat it, we're gonna die. So we shouldn't. Final chips right there. Yeah. If I eat a chip, it won't teleport me to the player wins section, but it's kind of broken now. So I'll be pressing a hotkey to go to the player wins section. Yeah, player win. That's all you get to win the game. So let's talk about some codes a little bit. So this one, that's over here. Yeah, this one. There's a code for the sound that you just heard. The jump sound, yeah, jump sound. News. So basically, what's over here says that jump sound is on, and it's basically a new sound. And the sound's name, Jump MP3. This is Jump MP3. It's the jump sound, yeah. So this, and this is how the set volume. You can set the volume of the sound. I go from anywhere. Set volume and self dot jump sounds. This this column right over here targets a specific sound that you want to reduce or increase the volumes or specific sound. Yeah. So I think that's enough of our showcase. Thank you for listening to my showcase, and bye bye.